So I just stumbled upon this concept called WebMCP that allows websites to support client-side language models. It's fascinating.
Wait, really? So it's like giving websites the ability to directly interact with AI models without needing any API keys.
Exactly, it essentially turns a website into a server that can communicate with various models. I mean, how cool is that?
It's super intriguing, but I wonder about the security aspect. How do they prevent misuse or prompt injections?
That's a valid concern. They mentioned wanting to harden security against malicious extensions, so it's still in early development.
Interesting. I guess they're taking a more collaborative approach by inviting suggestions for improvement. That makes sense.
Right, and users can connect to multiple websites simultaneously, which could enhance user experience dramatically.
But wait, how does the token system work? It seems like that could be a point of failure if not secured properly.
Good point. The end user generates a token that's used for one-time registration with the website, which then gets discarded.
So the token isn't stored anywhere for reuse. That's clever, but what if someone intercepts it during transmission?
True interception is a risk. They're relying on a WebSocket server that's localhost only to create a secure channel.
That does sound safer. Still, how do they handle situations where users might want to connect their models without sharing tokens?
They offer a manual execution command to generate a new token that the model never sees. That's a neat workaround.
I like how they're thinking about user privacy. It makes you wonder about potential applications of this tech.
Totally. Imagine using it for customized learning experiences or personalized recommendations on a site.
That could revolutionize how we interact with content online. But what about the potential for data misuse?
Exactly. There's always a risk of user data being exploited, especially if the system isn't tightly controlled.
And let's not forget about accessibility. If the setup is too complicated, it might deter users from adopting it.
Good observation. They have a straightforward installation process, but complexity can still creep in.
It feels like a delicate balancing act between functionality and user-friendliness. I wonder how they'll manage that.
Yeah, and the fact that it allows websites to expose tools directly to LLMs is a game changer.
Absolutely. It's like giving websites a whole new toolkit for enhancing user engagement. But what happens if a tool malfunctions?
They've built in mechanisms for tool requests, but downtime could still impact user experience significantly.
That's a crucial point. Reliability is key in these setups. They'd need robust error handling.
For sure, and then there's the Docker integration for streamlined deployment. That could simplify things for developers.
Docker, that's interesting. By containerizing the server, it could make scaling much easier.
Exactly, but it also adds a layer of complexity. Not all developers are comfortable with Docker.
True, they should consider offering support or tutorials to help those who are new to containerization.
That could be a game changer for adoption rates. It's all about making technology accessible.
And showing the real-world benefits. If people see how it can improve their websites, they might be more inclined.
Exactly, it's a matter of demonstrating clear advantages, like faster interactions or personalized experiences.
And they're open to feedback, which means the community can shape its development. That's pretty refreshing.
Right, it feels very collaborative, but I do wonder about the long-term sustainability of such a model.
That's a good question. Will they be able to maintain quality and security as usage grows?
Exactly, and scalability could become an issue if they don't plan ahead for increased demand.
But if they manage that well, WebMCP could really change the landscape of web interactions.
Totally, it feels like we're on the brink of a new era in how websites and AI interact.
And it raises so many questions about ethics and security in AI usage. There's still a lot to unpack.
For sure, but that's what makes this so exciting, exploring the possibilities while being cautious.
I can't wait to see how it evolves. It's a thrilling time for tech innovation.
Absolutely, with so much potential, the real challenge will be navigating the pitfalls ahead.
Exactly. Let's keep an eye on this and see how it develops. There's bound to be more surprises.
Definitely, who knows what breakthroughs we'll see in the near future with WebMCP.
Right? It's an exciting space to watch. The future is going to be fascinating.